Noah and Michael are helping to assemble the...
Oh, hi. I'm Michael.
Michael?
Yeah, I'm new to the channel. This is scary.
We're assembling this bin carrier where we can sort out rivets and bolts.
Down there.
We're putting the tools together we're going to use to build the plane.
Man, it's hot outside.
It is, warming up.
Yeah.
There you go, all snapped in.
Wait, wow.
Then those screws and brackets will reinforce it.
Wait, I didn't know that. I was just, I'm an idiot. I've just been holding it like this the entire time.
Well, that's fine. It's kind of like a bed frame. These little.
Smarter, God.
That's right. These little knobs are like a bed frame that kind of latch it in, and then these are supports where it can carry some weight.
I'm gonna get some.
Tiny screws, aren't they?
Oh my gosh.
You can kind of wiggle that bracket. Sometimes that will help you. The piece you're tightening into, if you kind of jiggle it up and down, it'll help you get it lined up.
Hello guys, we're putting rivets in our new sorter.
Finished projects. Man, this took a lot of work. Oh God.
There's so much of these.
So much rivets. Everybody, look at that. Look at all those rivets. Need some help there?
Yeah.
Okay, cameraman will now be in the video. Hey, Frankie! Hey, does everyone... Bye, Frankie!